Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back with another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for the Xbox Series X Shock Blue controller. So yeah, I picked this up today on release on the 10th of November 2020. So as you can see, there's my Xbox Series X box. Please focus. There we go. So it's currently upgrading Assassin's Creed Valhalla, and yeah. So obviously there's the controller on the front. There's the side, the back, and yeah. So when you open it, see the controller, which is really bloody nice. Really nice. I love the blue on it. You got the white on the back. Batteries. Manual. Game Pass code, if anybody wants it. So as for the controller, feels really nice, to be fair. It's got grips on the back, so you can also use this on the Xbox One as well. The Xbox button's a lot more flush as well, so that's cool. D-pad's really nice, really clicky and stuff. So yeah, there's not really much more to say about it, to be honest. It just improves on an already great controller. So yeah, that's it for my quick unboxing of the Xbox Series X Shock Blue controller, guys. If you like this, please be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you later. Bye bye.